I got a knock on the door mga loves, and yung kaibigan ni Jan, nag-drop off siya ng bulaklak and card plus money as well. Thank you so much. Sobrang na-appreciate namin yung love niyo. Tingnan niyo, sobrang cute. Thank you. Hindi na siya pumasok kasi sabi niya she just recently had ano, chest infection. This is fair kasi of course they are thinking about the baby. So sabi niya babalik na lang daw siya the next week, or you know, after na she feels alright herself, kasi unfair daw kay baby na ano, pumasok siya. Alright, I'm gonna put this. That's it. Thank you. Ito yung hapunan namin ngayon. So, pork chops kayo. Hindi siya pork chops. Pork shoulder na minarinate ko siya ng oyster sauce, garlic, and onion powder. And then nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting lemon. So, kanina ko pa itong minarinate. And then gumawa din ako ng ito, cauliflower, and nilagyan ko siya ng carrots mga loves with cauliflower sauce. Cauliflower with cheese sauce on it. Normally, cauliflower lang yung nilalagay ko, pero for the sake of using the vegetables, sinamit ko yung carrots kasi para hindi masira.
Just going round there and round there.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Just, well,
Yeah,
put a little bit in because like Kevin will show where it's not right.
Okay, that's fine. So, olive oil yung gagamitin ko kasi naubusan kami ng oil. Nakalimutan kong magpabili kay Jan sa grocery. Susunod ko na itong manok. Okay. Ano, in city, mga palangga, nag-text sila sa number ni Jan kasi dalawa yung number na kinuha nila sa amin, sa akin at kay Jan. Kasi there are times talaga na I cannot answer the phone. Si Jan kasi majority of the time ano yan, he can answer the phone. So nag-text sila how I am doing with the breastfeeding, if I need support and all that, which is very good really. I met them when I was at the hospital. Binigyan nila ako ng contact details, and at least ngayon pinalo-up nila ako kung okay lang ba ako, if I need help or anything. Lalagay na tayo dito. So, yan lang. So, maanghang to. Medium pa naman to. So, ang vegetables na gagamitin ko, kasi ito yung meron ako sa bahay. So, spinach, talong, green beans, and nalagay ako ng kaunting ito, cauliflower. Medyo namumuo pa yung ating coconut milk. So, ito na yung ating curry. So, para siyang ginataan. But yeah, ito na siya. Kain! Hello, good morning. It's another day. So, ngayon, bibisita yung anak ni John, kasama yung girlfriend niya at yung mama ng girlfriend ng anak ni Mr. So, at this moment of time, nag-edit ako. So, Lily is behind me. She's still fast asleep. Medyo maaga pa kasi mga palangga. That's why I've decided to edit. So, normally, natutulog kami sa bedroom namin. Yung next to me is next sa bed ko, sa bed namin ni Mr. Pero pag nag-edit ako, dinadala ko yung next to me dito para makita ko si Lily. And then, after na magising siya, so pag nagising na siya, after I feed her, I get ready for the day, bababa kami sa front room and then doon na kami mag-i-spend sa day namin. So, yun yung routine namin normally. So yeah, mahimbing pang natutulog kaya huwag natin istorbohin kasi alam niyo naman pag ang bata inistorbo, ay nako, wag na. Hindi na ako magsasalita. So umalis na sila mga loves and ito yung dala nila. Thank you so much. Aww. Look at this, Lily. That's nice. We got clothes for you. And then, ano to? Swaddle? Ano siya? Towel. Thank you so much. Ang lalaki pa naman ng paper bag nila, uy. And then, ito, tingnan natin to. Card. And then another clothes. Aww. Born in 2026. Yeah. Yes, baby girl. Hala. How cute. Look. How cute.
I think these are little slippers.
Little slippers.
Don't keep your tootsies wrong, all fluffy inside.
For the outfit.
Ah.
Oh, Lily. Look at that. And you got this one too.
Definitely not a girl.
And gloves.
Oh, good.
Gloves, I think. Yeah, mitts. Thank you.
Ooh.
And then card as well in there. Thank you.
Baby elephant.
Ah, look at that.
Yeah. Cool.
That's it. Put that in there.
Take away the guard now.
Pagkatapos lang niya mag-daddy. So, mixed feed pa din talaga tayo mga loves. Hello. You're wide awake. I know. She is fast asleep when dumating yung kuya niya kanina and ngayon lang siya nagising. Yes. Yes. Hindi nila hinawakan si Lily kasi of course she's few days old pa ba. Isn't it, baby Lily? Ayaw nila humawak kasi you're too fragile daw. Yes, I know. Yes, darling. I know. Shall we burp you? Ay naku, yung ipit ko, nakalimutan ko doon sa bathroom. Shall we? Shall we burp you, darling? There you go. Nanonood sana ako ng TV. Kaso, hindi ko makita yung remote. Yung TV kasi namin, natuturn off siya ng kusa. Pag feeling niya, wala nang tao dito or nakatulog yung nanood, magtuturn off siya. Minsan hindi naman to accurate yung pag ano niya, pag turn off. Yes, darling. Yes, Mama is right here. So, welcome sa new chapter sa aking life. Meron na tayong kasamang mag-vlog. Natutulog ata. Gustong-gusto niya na ganito siya kasi parang nai-imitate siguro yung posisyon niya nung nasa tummy pa lang siya.